Welcome back to CAD Legend. In this part 2, I will show you how can you do the taxation inside the AutoCAD, which is really very helpful that you must know about the taxation, okay? Because we're going to recognize the beginners, okay? As you can say that the expert also use the taxation inside the 2D because which portion is which thing, okay? You have to know this. So now let's start. If for example I just want to delete some of the portion room 1, room 2, B1, B2 and the loan portion, and I just want to recognize. First you have to set up the dimension, the taxation size. For that I will enter D. We have to come to modify, come to text, and you have to keep the text height 0.5. Okay, and I will close it. I just want to add the text. For that I will enter T. Now select the specific portion where you want to add your text. Here you have to choose the size 12 accordingly to your interface. Now it shows very big, but once I click OK, it will justify yourself. You will see that it will justify itself at some specific portion. And I just want to write down R1. Now it's really very big. Let me just make it bold and I will click OK. Now as you can see, it is justified right now. And if you want, you can just move it, enter M, and let me just drag it up to here. Now what I can do, I don't want to add any of the other text. I will just make a copy of this, and you already know very well about how to take a copy. And I will enter this. I just moved it up to here. Now here I just need to make it a 2. For that, what I can do, I will just enter ED. It's really very important command for you people to understand. It's used for the text editing. ED, enter. I'll select this text and I will just make it 2 and I will save. As you can see here, I just make a change, okay? Nothing else. Again, I will just add a text over here because I have move option. Wherever I can move anything, I will just make it 12 and I will just write down D1. Okay. And again, I will just add another text where I just want to add D2 and I will say okay. Now I'll just move it, enter M, like this, and here I just want to move it up here. Again, I just want to move this one also up to here. And let me just adjust it, move to here, move this one also, like this. Now Z enter, E enter to refit your view, and again let me just add another text inside here. Let me just make it a little bit bigger, and as you can see, you can just change the text style from here. Okay, so this is a loan right now. I'll just write down loan over here and I want to just click OK. See, let me just change the color for now, which is this one, or either you can just choose the yellow one for now. And let me just move it up to here at the middle. So this is how you can just add multiple texts inside your drawing, which is really a helpful section of the 2D drawing inside the AutoCAD, because without any taxation in your drawing, nobody can recognize what is this and what is that. So this is really very helpful tutorial. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's free of cost. Thanks for watching.